nanonood ngayon na nasa bahay, makita natin dito sa third day at saka sa last day na ano.
Kaya pumunta kayo bukas. Last day na ba bukas?
Di ba? Third day
Ay,
pa lang.
third day pa naman na. Punta kayo, dito pa kami third day ng fourth day.
Yes! O nga pala man, may tanong ko sa'yo man, meron ka ba diyang baon na knock-knock man?
Knock-knock man!
Who's there man?
Gusto ko yung mas malakas! Knock-knock man!
Who's there man?
Number 4!
Number 4, who?
Kahit di kita mahiling dyan sa boyfriend mo, konting oras tumatawag ka sa number 4.
Wow, kaya naman, puro ano naman, puro katangaduwa naman may ginagawa mo eh.
Ano ba yun, man?
Man, bakit? Tingin nga man.
Man!
Saan ka na naman, man?
Ano ba yun? Man, may aali ba tayo na kanta?
Oo man, kasi man, lagi mo na lang sila tinatarantado sa mga kanta mo eh.
Wala, dito ka! Actually, guys, ngayon niyo pala ito mapapakinggan, pero masasabayan niyo kami. Oo, promise. Original song namin to, baka sabihin niyo, ninakaw namin.
Sa mga nakakalam ng kanta to, huwag nyo lang kami sabayan.
Pakiusap. Play that shit!
Play the shit, man.
Yeah!
Go, man. Man, seryoso na pa, ha?
Seryoso naman, original song!
Original song, man.
Yeah! Yes,
Go.
yes, sir! Run! 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 Run!
Honey, give me the chick of the wet hand, could you be the girl next door?
Yes, sir!
This little bump, and bang on the bathroom floor. I would die for that night, keeping her right next to me. All this time she was standing there, just never took her eyes on me.
Let's go, fella, 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 fella. Let's go, fella, 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 fella. Let's go, fella, 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 fella. Let's go, fella, 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 fella. Fella, 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 and go, 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 go. Do some maracan selfie, original song. Let's go, I hope it's a bit. Fella, 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 the getting away.
But she got me in a counter,
What's it mean?
told me that me in a sober.
What's it mean?
Give me hell in the shower. See if he got me on the corner.
What's it mean?
He held her back to my shoulder.
What's it mean?
He the worst that I told her.
What's it mean?
He the screamed and the louder.
He wasn't me.
It was so much of a problem. Honey, give me music, I'll be right back. But you were the girl next door.
Yes, sir.
With a bump up, and bang on the bathroom floor. I tried to keep her from when she was alive to see. Why did she believe me when I told her not to be? So we banging on a sofa. Give me mad in the shower. She give me coming on the corner. You saw the max on my shoulder. You the worst that I told her. He the screamed a little louder. And I didn't was sober. I didn't give me music of your right hand. Coming with the girl next door.
Yes, sir.
We would bump up me and bang on the bathroom floor. I would die for that time. Giving her next to me. All this time she was standing there. Just never to do my fault. Trying to tell her that I'm falling for the thing that I'm going to do. We could tell her that I'm falling for the thing that I want. You may be that you're broken, but you don't believe us. The close I give it, you call me right hand, and give it with the girl next door. Girl next door. Because this was a bump of thing, and banging on the bathroom floor. I don't lie, forget that I give it her extra beat. All this time she was standing there, just never to do right off again. Yes, thank you, baby fair.
Okay, pag-isang kapalungan ang music. Ang sarap magmahal. Hi, sir.
Ang hindi magtaas sa kamay, mamamatay! Ayaw tayo hindi mamamatay! Wala ko saan pupunta. Alam ko nasa tapat ako ng bahay mo. Pero nakita ko ng mama mo. Kita, inatid ko lang po siya. Huwag mo kayo magalit sa aming dalawa. Pakitaas ang kamay! Alam ko na kita mo kanina. Ay aas na ba yun? Kaya pag-uwi ko, hinabol ako. Paano to? Sila yung chinelas ko bravo. Ang inisusuntokin ba ako ng kuya mo? Kuya mo? Meron ko ako ng kuya mo ah. Wow! Sila ka lang ulo.
Taas kamay! Grabe, ang sarap ng mahal!
Ito seryoso na ba? Alam mo, baby ko, mahal na kita. Kaya bibigyan kita ng rosas. Aalayin ang mga foods. Doon sa nagkisa ng kampasing ka, huwag ka na sinasabi ka na to. Sino ka nagkisang kampa, nagkisang king ka, talig pa na to. Saan ka nagkisa na ganda, nagkisa na ganda, nagkisa na ganda. Wala na, tuta na, wala na, di na na, wala na, wala na, pina na, pinaski.
Maraming salamat po.
Nga pala ang malawa kay Stevie.
Okay, Nick, picture muna tayo, Nick.
Picture muna tayo guys. Guys, hands up lang tayo guys. Picture lang po tayo.
Ay, sa oras ko na sasawa ko. I love you!